Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Masterton, Vice President of Marketing with Poca. COVID has introduced all kinds of new challenges for manufacturing companies. A priority for many is to reduce the risk of absent, sick, or quarantined team members by making sure there's adequate skills coverage in production. Another challenge tied to the first is how to safely train new hires, upskill existing factory workers, and conduct mandatory compliance training while maintaining a 2-meter distance between all team members. We've been hearing from Poca customers, the user community, over the last couple of weeks, how they're addressing these challenges by replacing on-the-job shadowing and classroom training with digital work instructions and training programs. So we've prepared this brief video demonstration that's going to show you how supervisors can use Poca to identify gaps in skills coverage and how workers can use Poca on a tablet to access digital content directly at their workstations and as a result learn more autonomously, continuously as the need arises.
Sam Brown, a production supervisor, logs into Poca using his laptop. In the factory feed, he notices a post from Kevin Miller, Human Resources Manager, asking supervisors to identify tasks where there is a lack of skills coverage and the most qualified worker who could demonstrate how to perform the task in a video demonstration. Sam goes to the digital skills matrix where he is presented with an at-a-glance view of his team's competencies indicated by the blue circles. He then filters the information by role and workstation. He can then see that there aren't many operators who can start production. 3 people haven't even begun their training, 1 person's skills have expired, and 1 person has completed the training but is waiting for an endorsement from the supervisor. Only 1 person is qualified to start production, and that is Isabella Torres, so she will demonstrate how to do this in the video demonstration. So in a matter of seconds, Sam is able to report the information back to HR so that they can quickly create the video microlessons and train operators. Because timing is so critical, they're not concerned with creating Hollywood quality videos. Their goal is to document procedures as quickly as possible so that everyone can be safely trained without the need for shadowing. Once training content is made accessible in Poca, operators can then learn autonomously at their workstation. Now let's look at what this looks like from an operator perspective. Jeff Lamb starts his shift as an operator by logging into Poca using a tablet at his workstation. He goes to his profile page and sees that there are new notifications requiring his attention. At the top of his notifications page, he sees that a new skill has been assigned to him. He clicks on the skill and is brought to the Production Start training page where he is then presented with a multi-step training program and all digital content. This includes where to find the production schedule, how to adjust machine settings, and an image of the control panel. In step 4, he sees a digital work instruction with the video of Isabella showing how to start production, followed by a step-by-step guide. When done, Jeff takes an online exam in Poca, then requests an endorsement from his supervisor and confirms that he's watched the videos and understood all content. Another way Jeff can access training content for the skills that have been assigned to him is by using his tablet to scan the QR code on his machine. He's then presented with all videos and digital work instructions available for the machine. Jeff can also easily track his skills development by going into his viewing reports. From here, he can see that he's watched 65% of all work instructions and 80% of all troubleshooting tips that have been assigned to him, and then quickly navigate to that content. When a new work instruction or troubleshooting tip is available or has been updated, he's then automatically notified.
So as you saw in the demonstration, by giving frontline workers the ability to access digital work instructions and curriculum on tablets right on the factory floor, you can enable continuous autonomous learning and reduce the need for in-person interactions during training. And with the built-in skills management and tracking capability, your compliance training and your audits are going to be much more efficient. To learn more about how Poca digitally connects frontline workers to enable autonomous learning, you can visit our website. Thanks very much for your time and have a great day.